So this is the Nitecore TM28 with 6000 lumens. Strong spotlight in the middle. We are now in the turbo. The light is already relatively warm because it was used before for quite a while now, and as you can see, it's mostly focused on the spot here. There is still a little bit of floodlight. We got a display that shows you some information here, the voltage as well as the lumen output level, and yes, exactly. So the battery is already not anymore on the highest level, so it's obviously time to recharge it soon. Back again to the max 6000 lumens. This is the Nitecore TM28. If you want to know more about this flashlight, you can take a look at the website. Thank you for watching. I'm now looking forward to your message, to your comment. If you liked the video, you can press the thumbs up, and see you soon in the next video.